Well, folks, as you can see, Aniioki sent out all the spare parts. Once again, they sent these out free. It came in a very secure packaging. I've never seen packaging like this, but I'm not sure how to start cracking it open, but I'm going to start from one side. And we're going to look at all the parts that they've sent me for the 2025 Aniioki A9 Pro Max dual motor. And these parts are to rebuild the bike from the accident that I had. I didn't pay for these parts. I didn't ask for these parts. My contact through Aniioki said, we're going to help you rebuild your bike back again, and we want to send your parts to you free. So that was a huge part of me continuing to ride the Aniioki. So let me try to get in here as best I can, and I can pull everything out of here and show you folks what parts are in here. We're gonna scoot that forward. Okay, looks like there's a lots of foam here. So I hope I can get this in here really good. Okay, so one piece of foam. Looks like we're gonna have to cut through some of this. So for now, here are all the parts. So let's get in a little bit closer and we're gonna inspect all the parts. And you folks can go on the website of Aniioki and find out just how much these parts cost. So these are not cheap for them to send me these parts free. And may I remind you, they also sent me a motor. Okay, another, not just one, but two, another direct drive motors. They're not cheap. So let's get in a little bit closer. So first things first, we have a brand new headlight for the A9. Let's put that aside for right now. We have a replacement chain for the A9. We have a brand new derailleur for the A9. We have brand new pedals for the A9. We have brand new lever and reservoir. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. For the A9, this is one. This is two. And we have a complete new shifter with cable for the A9. The 2025 A8 and A9 shifter is completely different from the Shimano shifter of the 2024. This is also Shimano, but once again, it's a complete different shifter. It's a beautiful thing that they've done for me. So this is what I mean when I talk about customer service. Here are two bolts here. I think this is for the headlight. Looks like those headlight bolts. We're gonna put this off to the side. And last but not least, you can see they sent an entirely, completely new fork. These are air forks, people. Okay? Entirely new forks. Wow. So once again, Aniioki has proven that I don't even know if you want to call this customer service, because this is above and beyond customer service. And this is what they've done for me. You can take all those parts, go to their website, add those parts up. You'll see how expensive they are. And I'm going to show you the 2 motors that they sent me. Two. Didn't need 2, but 2. Are you ready? And here are the 2 motors here. 1, 2. Isn't that amazing? 2 motors, direct drive. All right. Well, as you can see, Aniioki sent me all the parts for free. I want to make sure I nail this home. Once again, I am not disputing anyone who may have had customer service issues throughout their experience with Aniioki. But these parts took over a month to get here. My contact stated to me a month ago that they were out of parts and they have to restock, and it's going to be over a month. So it took a little bit over a month, approximately 33 days. Was I patient? Absolutely. I mean, after all, I didn't pay for these parts. They sent these parts free to me, asking for nothing in return. This has nothing to do with my collaboration with Aniioki. The original collaboration was simply sending me the 2025 Aniioki A9 Pro Max dual motor back in the beginning of this year in exchange for maintenance and servicing of the bike. Quite simple, right? It had nothing to do with the fact that I would be hit by a vehicle on May 8th and the bike had all sorts of damaged parts that needed to be replaced. I thought the bike was totaled. So they sent me these parts free. I am going to now do videos on showing you how to replace these parts or rebuild the parts on your bike or rebuild your bike if you are someone who is looking to rebuild your Aniioki. I'm probably going to take the bike down to the bare frame just to show you folks how to rebuild it and put it back together. I haven't made that decision, but nevertheless, wait for the next part of this video because I'm going to show you folks how to replace those parts and how to ride this bike after that horrific accident. You folks take care of yourselves. And the next time you question the customer service of Aniioki, I like to question the mental stability and personalities of the individuals who post negative remarks towards Aniioki. Remember, patience and kindness goes a long way. I'm no simp, but I know one when I hear it. Until next time.